Hey guys, everybody, how have you been? This time, KU delivers you a great fireworks festival of Chofu City, which makes you feel the end of summer and the wind of autumn. The festival is famous as the 10,000 shots and the elegance and dynamism. So please enjoy them together with KU's favorite food, delicious noodle. And Tokyo's fireworks one, 2 Tokyo's dancing, and Shinjuku walking are also my recommendations. Well, now please feel and enjoy the gorgeous fireworks of Chofu City.